Alright, so you're not getting jobs. And if you are, they're jobs that you don't want to be doing. So if you're getting jobs that you don't want to be doing, listen up. Just listen for like 5 minutes. There is a hack to only do jobs that you want to be doing. Okay? I'm about to expose this hack right now. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Only showcase the jobs that you want to be doing. Absolutely mind blown, right? Show the jobs that you want to be doing on your built authority. So this is for the people and contractors that I may have already talked to and spoken to. When you have that authority built, I have a bunch of videos explaining how to build authority. I'll link one right here. But once you have that authority built, showcase the jobs that you want to be doing and only the jobs that you want to be doing. Let's say, for example, LVP jobs. Okay, super simple, snap-on jobs, easy to get done, very quick, very profitable. Showcase LVP jobs as the next big thing. Let's say, for example, that it's outdated. Nobody does LVP jobs anymore. Okay, let's just say that. You would have to belief shift your prospects and your audience that LVP jobs are the next big thing and they're the new thing that everybody's doing, and you should definitely get an LVP job, right? You need to belief shift your audience and that authority that you have created with your content, in your messaging or in your ads, whatever the case may be. If you need to belief shift in messaging, which is in the video. So in a video where you're talking to your audience just like this, one-on-one, you would have to say it in your script or your message, whatever it is. Or if you're just running a photo ad, it would be in your copy. Wherever there are words or enough words to convince, you need to belief shift your audience that the job that you want to be doing is the next big thing. Say that it's underrated, or it's better than blank blank blank, or it's 10 times better than blank blank blank. That blank 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 you saying is 10 times better than whatever is what we call throwing rocks. So you're throwing rocks at what you don't want to be doing. Let's say you don't want to be doing any tile jobs anymore. You're sick of tile jobs and you only want to do LVP and hardwood refinishes, whatever. Throw rocks at what you don't want to be doing. Say everybody's doing tile right now and be like, okay, tile is old, outdated. Nobody wants tile anymore. If you want your home to be deteriorating with tile, then you go find yourself a tile guy. But if you want to do the next big thing and do what everybody else is doing, and just belief shift your audience to the fact that the job that you want to be doing is the next big thing, and showcase that on your audience. Your audience has to be built enough so that you have enough audience members to listen to you and get convinced, like, okay, this guy's right, LVP is sick. Like I really want to get some luxury vinyl in my house right now. That would look so cool. Just show the market that what you're offering is the best thing out right now, and you can provide it for them, and you're the best at providing it for them. And just show that on your authority. As long as your authority is built enough, you will not be doing jobs that you don't want to be doing ever again. Let's be real, the only reason that you're not getting the jobs that you want to be doing, or that you're doing jobs that you don't want to be doing, is because of low lead volume. Like, you're not getting leads, you're not getting jobs, you're bidding on Thumbtack, you're desperate for jobs because you haven't had a job in a month or two. It's a cause of low lead volume and being desperate for a job that you are getting jobs, that you're taking on jobs. Just say GCs are handing down jobs to you and you're like, okay, I'll take it, I have to. You have no leads coming in asking inbound for the job that you want to provide. There's no leads coming into you saying, okay, hey, I want LVP jobs. Like, there's 10 people asking for LVP jobs, you boost your price, whatever. You need to have an external stream of leads coming in for you so that you can do the jobs that you want to be doing genuinely. And if you don't want to be doing these jobs, stop doing them. Stop being desperate, create your authority, start marketing yourself, and you will do the job that you want to be doing, and that is it. That is point blank period. You should not be doing jobs that are just being handed down to you. Okay? Respect yourself, respect your time, and be the best at what you do. Be the best at what you do. Be the best at what you do in your area, and you will only be doing the jobs that you want to be doing as long as you market them and belief shift your audience into the fact that it is the best thing to do right now. Like, your kitchen will look beautiful with luxury vinyl planks. Right? So you get my point. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram at noah.o.arnold. And if you want to sit down and have a chat one-on-one, click the link below. I'll leave a link where you can book a call with me. You can sit down and have a chat for like 30-45 minutes. I'll also just dive into your situation and give you a free audit, see if there's anything in your business that you should be changing. Because in this day and age, you have to accept if you're in a rut, there's a change that is needed to be made. Okay, so that concludes this video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.